In this video, I want to show you how to manually enroll into YouTube Shorts monetization as a content creator so you can have ads running on your YouTube Shorts. I want to show you how to do that. And then the new terms that YouTube makes us all agree to. Some people see it, some people don't, and they want to make sure that they agree to the new terms, whatever they are, so they can get monetized and everything. So a lot of people are worried about that. So you may be getting like a banner on all your analytics that says, hey, you need to enroll before this date or you won't be monetized, or you need to do this in order to get enrolled in Shorts. So I want to show you how to manually do it. And it doesn't matter how many channels you have to do it on every single one of the channels. So I want to show you where to go. So first of all, you want to go to Analytics, which that's simple. Go to youtube.com/analytics. So let's go ahead and go to My Analytics. And then on the very far left here, you're going to see where it says Earn, right below Copyright. So right here where it says Earn, go ahead and click it. And then Channel Monetization. This is where everything is. So right here where it says Short Feed Ads, what you're going to have to do is click Get Started. So this is going to be able to get ads on your YouTube videos for the Shorts. Now, if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can't do this. So you have to already be a partner and already be monetized. So let's go ahead and get started. If for whatever reason it doesn't have Get Started here, it'll just say View. That means that you've already done it. You may not have knowingly done it or not. But if it says just View, then you know you're good. So let's go ahead and click on it. Review and accept the updated YouTube Partner Program terms first. So this is what I was talking about, where people are getting the banner. That means that you have to, that has to be updated. So let's go ahead and click Review and Accept. So you have to go review to each one of these. Review. You have to accept all these new terms. And then Watch Page Terms. Click Review. I accept. Okay. Now what we're going to do is click Submit. And it says Earn from ads on YouTube Premium in the short feed. So we're going to go ahead and click Turn On. And then you have to accept this. Scroll all the way down. I accept. Alright, so we are good to go. If we go back to Earn, you'll see here where it says Short Ad Feeds, it's active. Okay, that shows that we're getting good. So you saw there in one fell swoop, we were able to do both. We were able to agree to the terms, and we were able to approve YouTube Shorts. All right, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.